I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present underneath the Christmas tree. Happy Monday! I hope that you are well. Welcome to week 2 for your tips and tricks for table style to have a more zen, sustainable, calm, and whole food Christmas. That's a lot of stuff, isn't it? Week 2. Last week we saw very useful to have all these beautiful things trying to happen this year. Le table style, pen and paper, shop at home first before the month of December starts. Go around your freezer, your fridge, herbs and spices, pantry, garden, and write down as little or as much as you want of food that you'll be using for this December for your meals and all that stuff. All right. So this week, we are going to talk about one small, realistic little trick that you can do to bring a calmer, whole food, sustainable Christmas into your kitchen. We're going to take as little or as big a step that we can to prepare for that crazy week. So if you are hosting, there are little steps that you can already do. Maybe you can purchase some of the vegetables or some of the foods which you'll be needing already. One little thing or a whole bunch of things. If you are going places and you know you'll be visiting a whole bunch of people, maybe you can prepare in advance a pesto or a batch of bruschetta. You prepare it here, you put it in the freezer into a tray, and then you can bring it already on the day. So it's about bringing more calm, and don't wait until the last minute to make all that food crazy organization happening. So go within your resources. What do you have in terms of time, in terms of money, and in terms of finance to start preparing your Christmas now? Maybe doing a batch of pesto, you'll be visiting 5 different places, or we have 5 different parties. Maybe doing 5 pots of pesto or 5 pots of hummus or 5 bunch of bruschetta is too much. Do what you can. Little step bringing you closer to these whole food dinners, which you'll either have at your home or you'll be sharing with people. So that's my tips and trick. It's such a tongue twister. My tip and trick for you this week is to start preparing now. What are we now? Date? December 9th. December 9th, start preparing down. Can you buy a head of broccoli and chopped into the little florets already, pop it into a plastic bag and freeze that. And that is one less job you have to do on the day. One little step closer to your Christmas dinners. So you're not left with mountains to do, children's running everywhere. We know it's not. Have a look at what you've done in the past years. Take a moment to breathe that in. What do you want to do different this year? So you get to enjoy the journey of Christmas food and not coming out of it or dreading it. Oh my gosh, this is just too much. I'm drained, I'm stressed, thank God it's over. Take the little steps. Again, your pen and paper, very useful. It helps you really visualize what is the smallest job I can do to lighten my weight for Christmas coming, or for the month of December if I'm going to gatherings, if I've been invited to parties and I need to bring something so I don't run to the grocery and I'll grab a few other things at the same time. So you have a wonderful day. I will catch you up next week for week 3 of our tips and tricks for the whole month of December. Every Monday, this YouTube channel, 9:30. Grab these little realistic, small little steps you can do to bring a calmer, zen, mindful, and whole food Christmas. Have a fabulous day.